Welcome to this quick walkthrough of the AI Readiness Assessment email workflow. This automated system helps you engage leads at every stage of their AI journey, from emerging to transformative. It all starts with the AI Readiness Assessment form. Once someone submits the assessment, their responses are instantly logged into Google Sheets. This sheet acts as the central hub for all incoming data, updating in real time whenever a new row is added. Now, the magic begins in N8N. N8N is a powerful workflow automation tool that lets you connect apps, transform data, and build custom processes without writing complex code. A Google Sheets trigger watches for new entries. As soon as it detects a submission, it routes the data through a series of filters that sort leads by their readiness stage: emerging, developing, advancing, or transformative. Each filter checks the stage field to match the correct email content. Then, depending on the result, a personalized email is prepared automatically. This approach ensures that every lead gets exactly the right information to take their next step toward AI adoption, without any manual sorting or follow-up delays. Plus, every interaction is logged for full visibility, so your team can track progress and performance over time. This workflow not only saves hours of repetitive work, but also creates a more professional, responsive experience for potential leads. Finally, the workflow connects to Microsoft Outlook. Here, the prepared email is sent directly to the lead's inbox with a professional message and clear call-to-action links, driving engagement and conversion seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on automating your business with AI and workflows.